YouTubers? Another unboxing video. This should be another graphics card. Either a GTX 780 or a GTX 970. This is the 780. I have been collecting some of the older ones because they are such a good price, to be honest with you. When you figure, let's say, you know, for a computer you want an RX580 or 560, for what they cost and their level of performance, and the performance of some of these, which is beyond, say, a GTX 1650, somewhere along the lines of, might be as good as, almost as good as the 3 gigabyte 1060, GTX 1060, but I could be wrong. Probably no doubt that I'm wrong on that. Have to look at the numbers, but you know, these will definitely be better than the 1650. So, all right. So this is the GTX 780. So the one I previously did was a GTX 970. This eventually was replaced by the GTX 980, and too bad it's not closer to the GTX 1080. But at the time, this was a pretty good card. There is a GTX 780 Ti, I believe. But you know, I got this on eBay right around $50, and I'm going to basically use this to upgrade one of the workstations. It would appear that we have DVI, dual DVI, DisplayPort, put that back in there, and hopefully that's HDMI. And we also have the GTX 770, so this will be a little better than that. Pretty big size fan, pretty big video card. When you look at the 970 though, this is not nearly as big. So what do we have for power? Requires 6 and 8 pin. So this guy will probably be at least a 500 watt power supply, and it's probably going to go into a computer that's got 600 watts. So I don't have any problems there. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.